1961 Austin-Healey Sprite owned by Caitlyn Jenner.
Most fashionable.
Woo! Most fashionable. Wait, where's the dog? You had the puppy with you.
So have you ever won a prize before?
Yeah. only made of metal.
But now that I'm an award winner with the car,
Yeah, finally.
will you
finally.
drive in the car with me? Yay! Okay, it's a deal.
She's finally won an award. Oh, wait a minute. She's finally won an award that wasn't made of precious metal. Let's put it that way. How's that sound?
Some significance to the car on Father's Day. When I was 15 years old, my dad taught me to drive in a 1960 Austin-Healey Bugeye Sprite. You know, the first time in the parking lot with, the first time with a clutch, and you know how that goes. And like any good 15-year-old, I did sneak it out on a few occasions. Never got caught and never did any damage. On my 16th birthday, I'm so excited that I can finally go down and get my license and then finally drive the Bugeye legally on the street. I come home from getting my license and the Bugeye was not in the car, or in the garage. And I go, Dad, where's the Bugeye? And he said, I sold it this morning. I cried. I literally cried. And so for 50 years, I've always thought of my dad when I thought of the Bugeye Sprite. So if you noticed on the back of the car, it says Dad's car. World War II veteran, buried at Arlington. Great man.
Great tribute on Father's Day.
Sharing that.
That's a great story. Thank you and congratulations.
Pushing, because I don't want to run anybody over that way. Heads up, we're moving out.
All right.
That way we won't run over anybody.
Like when you're racing with Scott Pruitt. Good job.
Get over yourself.
Don't want to run over anybody. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Caitlyn.